Meet BYD, the Chinese automaker making waves in the electric vehicle market with its groundbreaking new $10K EV, the BYD Seagull. With features that rival and even surpass those of competitors like Tesla, the Seagull is causing quite a stir. But how did BYD manage to create such an affordable yet impressive electric vehicle? What sets the Seagull apart from other EVs on the market? And perhaps most importantly, should it be sold in Europe? We will answer it all in this one video, so stay tuned till the end. Enter BYD, the Chinese automaker causing ripples in the electric vehicle realm. Not only has it dethroned Tesla as China's top car manufacturer in the world's largest auto market, but it's also turning heads with its latest electric vehicle release. With a blend of jaw-dropping features and an unbeatable price, BYD is proving to be a force to be reckoned with in the EV industry. Introducing the BYD Seagull, an affordable and eco-friendly electric car priced at just $11,000. This is a bargain compared to other electric vehicles that can cost tens of thousands of dollars. But how did BYD manage to make such an impressive car at such a low price? And what makes the Seagull so special? Let's also take a quick look at how BYD rose to the top of the Chinese market. Back in 2011, Elon Musk wasn't very impressed with BYD's cars, calling them unattractive and their technology weak. But fast forward to today, and BYD has become the top electric vehicle maker, even outselling Tesla in the fourth quarter of 2023. So, while Musk may have underestimated BYD, they were quietly making their way to the top of the EV game. Taylor Ogan, the CEO of Snobe Capital, shares the inspiring story of BYD's rise to dominance in China's auto industry, outshining even Tesla. It's a tale of perseverance and success, teaching us never to underestimate the power of the underdog. In December 2023, BYD achieved an incredible milestone by selling a whopping 341,043 electric vehicles, surpassing their annual target of 3 million deliveries. Despite only producing 38,972 vehicles that month, dealers had to work hard to clear out their stock due to high demand. Overall, BYD sold 3,240,417 vehicles in 2023, a remarkable 61.9% increase from the previous year. A key contributor to BYD's success is the Seagull, their flagship model. With its sleek design reminiscent of Lamborghini, it's been a hit since its launch in April 2023. Led by Wolfgang Edgar, the former head of design at Lamborghini, the Seagull has held its own against competitors like GM's AIC and JV's Wuling Bingo. In 2023, the Seagull flew off the shelves, selling an impressive 282,000 units. December saw a significant surge with 50,525 units sold, marking a remarkable 133% increase from November. This consistent momentum underscores BYD's innovation and market strategy, cementing their status as a major player in the electric vehicle industry. The Seagull's soaring popularity can be attributed to its unbelievably low price tag of just under $1,000, making it an absolute steal for a compact hatchback equipped with a 30.8 kWh battery. Part of BYD's Ocean series, which also features the Dolphin and the Seal, the Seagull has been creating waves in the market. Underneath its sleek exterior lies BYD's e-Platform 3.0, providing a solid foundation for the Seagull's performance. Despite its compact size, this hatchback packs a punch with a single electric motor boasting 75 horsepower, 55 kilowatts, and 135 nanometers of torque. It's a front-wheel drive vehicle capable of reaching a top speed of 130 kilometers per h with an impressive acceleration from 0 to 50 kilometers per h in just 4.9 seconds. When it comes to range, the Seagull offers two blade battery options, ensuring flexibility for different driving needs. What's more, it can charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes, providing convenience and efficiency for drivers on the go. With such features packed into an affordable package, it's no wonder the Seagull has been flying off the shelves and capturing the hearts of consumers everywhere. Let's take a closer look at the exterior design of the Seagull, where modernity meets sophistication. With its sharp lines and angular shapes, the Seagull exudes a contemporary charm that's hard to miss. The sleek headlights lend it a futuristic appeal, while the sloping roofline adds a touch of sportiness to its overall demeanor. But what truly sets it apart is the rear design, with lamps connected by a seamless light bar, akin to the final touch on a stylish cake. However, the Seagull isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about maximizing space. By increasing the wheelbase to length ratio to an impressive 66%, surpassing even the BYD Dolphin, the Seagull ensures ample interior room. This, coupled with the use of a thinner blade battery, ensures passengers enjoy a spacious and comfortable ride. Moving to the interior, the Seagull continues to impress with its thoughtful design elements. The dashboard features a striking wing design, reminiscent of a seagull's graceful wings in flight. Enhanced by a two-tone finish, it's a visual delight that instantly captures attention. And let's not forget the centerpiece, the 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which can be rotated for convenience, along with a 5-inch digital instrument cluster. It's like stepping into the cockpit of a futuristic spaceship where style meets functionality seamlessly. Let's break down what makes the Seagull so impressive, especially when it comes to safety. It's not just about looking good. This car is packed with features to keep you safe on the road. With 6 airbags, rear disc brakes, electronic parking brake, and electronic stability program, BYD has made sure you're well protected no matter where your journey takes you. But it's not just about features. The Seagull is built tough too. With 61% of its body made from high-strength steel and key parts crafted using advanced hot forming technology, it's designed to withstand impact and keep you and your loved ones safe in case of an accident. When BYD unveiled the Seagull at Auto Shanghai in April 2023, it caused quite a stir. People were so impressed that BYD received a whopping 10,000 orders in just 24 hours. By November of the same year, they had already produced the 200,000th Seagull, showing just how popular and trusted this car has become. Looking ahead, industry experts believe that BYD is on track to become even bigger, potentially surpassing Tesla by the end of 2023. This is because of BYD's smart approach to the electric vehicle market. They didn't rush into it but took their time, first exploring hybrid cars before diving into pure electric vehicles. This careful strategy has paid off, making BYD a major player in the world of electric cars. BYD's strategy wasn't just about putting all their eggs in the electric vehicle basket. They took a multifaceted approach by simultaneously rolling out both battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. This dual focus, as CNBC reported, proved to be a stroke of genius, especially during a time when charging infrastructure was sparse and consumers were still grappling with the concept of electric cars. The introduction of PHEVs was particularly strategic. Offering a blend of electric and conventional power, these vehicles appealed to a wide range of consumers, thanks to their affordability and ability to alleviate concerns about range anxiety. This move allowed BYD to tap into a market segment that was still hesitant about fully electric vehicles, further solidifying their position as innovators in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle landscape. But BYD's innovation didn't stop there. They astutely positioned themselves in the mid-range market where competition was less fierce. With skillful precision, they carved out their own slice of the pie, garnering praise for their branding initiatives. One shining example of this is Denza, BYD's upscale EV brand, which showcased their ability to cater to different consumer segments with tailored offerings. As BYD continues to forge ahead, the question arises, what's next for this trailblazing company? With a penchant for strategic investments and a knack for staying ahead of the curve, BYD's future prospects seem promising. Drawing from their past successes, one can anticipate BYD to maintain their commitment to offering practical yet stylish vehicles like the Seagull, catering to the evolving needs and preferences of consumers worldwide, while driving further innovation in the electric vehicle industry. BYD's future holds promises of groundbreaking advancements and game-changing innovations that are set to shake up the industry. With plans to expand their reach to Europe and the US, exporting their popular vehicles, BYD aims to capture even more market share and defy expectations in the process. In the ever-evolving electric vehicle market, BYD remains a formidable force, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. As we eagerly anticipate their next move, one thing is abundantly clear. BYD isn't just a rising star in the EV industry, they're trailblazers, known for their ingenuity and ability to disrupt the status quo. Keep an eye on BYD because when it comes to innovation and progress, they're just getting started. The future looks bright, and with BYD leading the way, the best is yet to come. What are your thoughts on BYD's trajectory in the EV industry? Let us know your views in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then do give it a big thumbs up. For more such amazing videos, do subscribe to our channel.